Hello, I'm Pavlina, one of the physics tutors on ClassRx, classes anytime, anywhere, an online, one-to-one, STEM-focused professional private tutoring company. I study physics at University College London and have been tutoring since 2015. I especially enjoy helping students around GCSE or A-level, as it has not been that long since I was in their shoes, and so I can easily relate. I teach physics up to A-level or IB. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you today how easy and simple it is to solve problems on collisions, which is one of the important topics for A-level exams. In problems on collisions, there are usually two objects traveling either the same or the opposite direction, colliding and then traveling together for some time. In our case, those are two railway tracks traveling in opposite direction before being involved in an elastic collision. An elastic collision means that the kinetic energy doesn't have to be conserved. It can be transferred into, let's say, thermal energy, but momentum is always conserved. That means that momentum before collision is equal to momentum after collision. The momentum before collision can be written as momentum of track A plus momentum of track B. The resulting momentum is just momentum of AB as they're one object now. But momentum is actually mass times velocity. So I've got mass of A times velocity of A plus mass of B and velocity of B, and then mass of A plus mass of B, as they're one object now, times velocity of AB, which I'm looking for. But we're not given velocities, only speeds. Speed of A and speed of B. So I have to decide which direction is positive and which is negative to get the velocities. I'm going to say that to the right is the positive direction and to the left is the negative direction. So then, velocity of A is plus the speed and velocity of B is minus the speed. Now we can plug in the numbers and we get that 7,600 is equal to 28,000 times velocity of AB. Dividing that, we get that velocity of AB is just around 0.27 meters per second. To get the speed, we just take the value. So this time the speed is the same as the velocity, but if our velocity was negative, we would take the negative sign off. So 0.27 can be rounded to 0.3 meters per second, which is at exactly what we are looking for. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or would like to contact us, please visit www.classrx.com or please drop us a line at hello@classrx.com, mentioning my name, Pavlina, in the subject line.